AI is revolutionizing the world, but beneath the shiny surface lies a dark reality. It's learning faster than ever, predicting your moves, controlling what you see, even deciding who gets hired or fired. Still think it's just a smart assistant? Stay with me. Because what you're about to learn could change the way you see artificial intelligence forever. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. In your phone, your home, your job. But as AI grows more powerful, so do the risks. Take facial recognition. It can help catch criminals, but it's also being used to track citizens without consent. In some countries, AI is monitoring social behavior to assign citizen scores. Your privacy? Gone. Your freedom? At risk. And it's all happening quietly, behind screens and firewalls. You'd think AI is neutral, right? Wrong. AI learns from human data. And human data is flawed. Studies show algorithms used in job screening or loan approvals have built-in biases. People are being rejected not for their skills, but because the AI learned they weren't the right fit, based on race, gender, or zip code. The scariest part? There's no human to appeal to. Just the algorithm. Unseen, untouchable. Here's a thought. If AI controls our decisions, who controls AI? Big tech companies. A handful of billion-dollar corporations are shaping the future of intelligence without transparency, regulation, or public oversight. They own the models, they own the data, and in a world where data is power, that should terrify all of us. We're building machines that can outthink, outwork, and maybe outlive us. OpenAI's GPT models, Google DeepMind autonomous military drones, they're not science fiction anymore. If we don't set boundaries now, we risk losing control. Not in a Hollywood robot apocalypse kind of way, but in ways far more real and far more dangerous. A world where decisions are made for us, not by us. Where privacy, fairness, and freedom become optional. AI isn't evil, but unchecked, it can be. I still have a choice. To demand transparency, ethical boundaries, and human oversight. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's start a real conversation about the future before it's too late.